Hey guys, it's Sergio.
And Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
Today, guys, we are in Highland Park, Texas. We are just about maybe 10 minutes away from downtown Dallas, just down the tollway. We are close to Highland Park Village and also to Southern Methodist University, SMU. So with that being said, Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2025 by Rossi Custom Homes. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 3,354 square feet. It's currently listed at $2,175,000, which is $648 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.21 acre lot, which is roughly 9,100 square feet.
So I do want to point out that this is a single family attached, aka duplex. So that's why it's that price.
Yeah, it's also in University Park, actually.
Oh, it's University Park, my bad. Anyways, well, Park Cities, there you go, that's what we call it. Anyways, wanted to remind you guys, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area and you want to partner with true luxury agents with over 10 years experience, well, that is Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1, and we're also partnered with the #1 luxury broker in town, which is Ali Beth Allman and Associates. With that being said, let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market, where we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Thanks you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.